Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster using your TI-84. I'm Tina from my tutor. Let's jump in. Number 27 here, the track for a model railroad display is set up as two circles that are tangent to one another. Tangent just means they're touching, and have diameters of 30 and 50 as shown. The engine of the train travels at a constant rate of 75 feet per minute. To the nearest minute, how many minutes does it take the engine to go in a figure 8 pattern around the entire track? So it means if I start here, I'm going to go like this. So what I really need to find is the circumference of this circle, the circumference of this circle, add them together, and then we could figure out how long it's taking, because we need to figure out the distance. So to figure out the distance quickly, we're going to use the circumference program. If you don't have the programs, check out the other videos I've made that show you step by step how to create them. I'm going to hit program. I'm going to go down to circumference and the radius. So they give us the diameter. The diameter is the radius times 2, or really the radius is the diameter cut in half. So I can actually just do 30 divided by 2, the math in here, and it will give me the value. So this is 94.248. Now I'm going to do this, run the program again with 50. So program circumference, and I think it was 50. Yeah, 50 divided by 2. And now I get 157. So I can, now this number is actually the most recent number in the calculator. So if I hit plus and then add in the 94.248, it's going to add the 157 and that number. So 251 is how long that whole track is. It's how many feet it is. And then if we're going 75 feet per minute, I'm going to divide this by 75, and it'll tell me that it was 3.35 minutes. So to the nearest minute, it would be 3 minutes, because you would round down because it's less than 3.5. If you want more TI-84 shortcuts for the ACT and SAT, don't forget to follow and check out the free TI-84 starter pack in my bio. Slay the day.